Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete Instagram messages. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, explore, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile icon. So basically, guys, right now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your direct messages. In order to do that, just click on the icon in the top right corner, and then here you're gonna find all of your conversations. So right now, go ahead and tap the conversation you want to chat with. So for example, I'm going to enter this one. And then once you're here in the conversation, first of all, for example, I'm going to send a message, hello, and then I'm going to send it 2 times. So right now, if you want to delete the message, all you need to do, guys, is hold, click on the message you want to delete, and then you're gonna find all of these options right here. Here you can find the option to reply, edit, forward. So I'm gonna click on it again, forward, copy, delete for you, and lastly, unsend. So as you can see, guys, if you click on delete for you, the message will be deleted only for you, and the person you sent the message to will be able to see your message, and your message will not be removed from the conversation. And if you click on unsend, the message will be deleted for you and for the person you're talking to. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.